I'm Ashley.
And I'm Liz.
Welcome back to
Dancing in the Kitchen.
And this week we are going to be talking about fiber one more time. And we're going to specifically be talking about fiber's role in sugar absorption and fiber in fruit.
Fantastic.
So, I don't know, have you ever heard this saying, juice your vegetables, eat your fruits?
No.
It's probably kind of an obscure saying, but some people say it.
Okay.
And the reason is because when we juice fruit, we take all the fiber out of it, unless you've got some pulp in there, but still not the same as eating a whole fruit. And when we eat our fruit and we get all the fiber with it, it slows the sugar absorption.
Okay.
Yeah, so you've probably heard like that juice is a sugar bomb, and you know, it's pretty much just as bad as drinking soda, like in terms of what it does to your blood sugar.
But is a smoothie considered if you're just like taking the fruit and just like, you know, emulsifying it in the...
Less bad than juice.
Okay.
And when you add things like chia and flax, like we've talked about
which we do.
When you add in even more fiber, that can also help kind of slow the glucose spike.
Okay.
Yeah, and so when you're eating fruit, like we're talking about here, you really want to go for whole fruits versus juice, because juice will spike your sugar. And in terms of mood and mental health, that can cause a lot of problems. I mean, it can cause problems in terms of insulin resistance and developing diabetes and all kinds of health concerns. But in regards to our mood and mental health, spiking your blood sugar and then having it crash can lead to you having low energy, feeling hangry, getting
mood swings. Yeah,
so
for
many
sure.
things. Yeah, and so today we have a recipe for you that includes some fruit, and it is a crunchy apple radish snack that has a cilantro lime dressing, and the green apple in it is actually one of the lowest sugar fruits that you can eat.
Oh, really? Okay.
And it also has a form of fiber in it called pectin.
Okay.
And so that helps slow any sugar absorption as well.
Okay, so when it comes to fruit, what are some low sugar fruits?
So low sugar fruits include green apples like we spoke about, but also I think this is really counterintuitive, but berries. Berries tend to be the lowest in sugar, and they also are really high in fiber.
Right, but they're also so sweet. So it's
sweet.
like weird, right?
I know, you wouldn't think, but it's true. So like raspberries, blueberries, blackberries, etc. And then also some citrus fruits. So obviously like lemons and limes, they're very tart, they're not very sugary. So if you are going to be doing juicing, one of the other things I wanted to mention is, in addition to sort of preferring doing vegetables, it's not just about the sugar, but it's also because if you're going to juice vegetables, what the benefit of that is you can get a lot of nutrients condensed in sort of a small area. Like you could put a whole head of celery, a whole like box of spinach, like, you know, a lot of content kind of go into one little cup of juice.
Right.
So what you don't want to do is juice a bunch of fruits with no vegetables and then just get like that sugar bomb without the fiber. But if what your goal is to get a lot of nutrients condensed in a small space, you could juice a bunch of vegetables and then get far more nutrients than you could ever consume when you're eating all the bulk.
Cool. Maybe we can go into that further later on. I have a juicer.
Yeah. And yeah, we could do like juices and smoothies.
Yeah, I think that'd be a good one.
That would be fun. Cool. So I guess we should talk about the music.
Awesome.
Yeah. So what song do you have for us today?
So today is a song called Look at Me Now, and it was a film and TV song that I wrote with my group called About It, and it's on iTunes if you want to check it out. It's super fun, and I think that you'll really like it.
Awesome. Well, we are going to go ahead and make our crunchy apple radish snack.
Sounds great.
And we'll get cooking. We'll see you soon.
Awesome.
Look at me now. 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 Whoa! Look at me now. Talk of the town. It's going round. No time to catch your breath. The fresher you squeeze, the fresher it be. at me now. Look 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 at me now.
Do you like this?
Do you like this?
Do you like this?
Do you like this?
Hey guys, we hope you enjoyed our apple radish recipe and Liz's amazing song.
Thank you.
Let us know if you have some favorite high fiber snacks or if you have questions about fiber in the comments below.
And don't forget, as always, to like and subscribe to our channel, and also check out our merch.
And we will see you next time here on Dancing in the Kitchen.
Bye.
Bye.